Fallou. I own the salon Fallou African Hair Braiding. And first of all, I would thank you guys to come to my shop for this occasion. I'm doing hair braiding over now 15 years in the United States of America. It's a part of our culture. You learn the braiding at age 7, 8 years. That means the style we call Senegalese twist. That's the first time you learn at age 7. I learned that from my auntie, and I still go to school. And all of the girls in my country, they learn doing hair and they still go to school. They graduate from school and have a good degree and have a good job. And they still doing the hair braiding. That's this part of our culture. I was braiding her since she was little.
That's right.
Yeah, I was braiding her.
Remember, she used to cry.
Yeah, she used to cry at the time. Braiding, like I said, it's not easy. That's a very, very hard job. It hurts your fingers, your back, your feet, your neck. It takes a lot of hours for the customers. And also, I'm thanking the customers to come because the braiding takes a lot of hours, and they have the patience like us too. Because if you have a customer and she sit on the chair for 6 or 7 hours at least, and that's a lot of hours, and you stand on your feet to do her hair, and the customers, they are very, very comprehensive sometimes, you know, and anything you do for them, they say, "Oh, Fallou, I like your job. You do a great job. You are humble. You respect your customers," and that's a very big thing, you know. That's a very big thing. When customers are called to make an appointment, some customers they make an appointment over the phone, and you help them over the phone. Sometimes they send you a style in your phone, and you check the style and call them back and tell them, "Yeah, I can do that. That's what it costs. That's how long it's gonna take to do it." Some customers they walk through to the shop to get the books, so I can help them to choose the style they want and tell them what's going on and everything. And some customers too, they come sometimes call and say, I have 2 children to bring to the shop or 1 children. But I say it's fine by me. When the children come, they are comfortable here. It's not easy to open a business like everyone. You have to struggle. It's gonna take time. You have to try everything to get here. Any kind of people come here to do their hair, weaving or braiding, and they like the job we done for them, and they keep coming and send me some people. So I even have some customers coming from far too, drive like 4 hours, and I thank God for that, and I think like God will give us more than that, and everybody who has business around the world. And then God bless America too, and make peace in America, like make everybody comfortable and safe in United States of America. Thank you.